In this video, we'll show you what to do if the sound is not coming out of your TV when you have connected your Windows laptop through an HDMI cable. So to fix this, first right click on the volume icon on the taskbar and then select sound settings. Now in the settings app that opens, you will need to go to this output section and you will need to select your TV from this list. So you simply have to select your TV as the output device and then use this volume slider to increase or decrease the volume. However, if the issue persists, head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the services app, you will need to scroll down and find this Windows audio service. Simply right click on it and then select properties. Now make sure that the startup type is set to automatic and then hit apply followed by OK. Now all you have to do is simply restart your Windows 11 laptop or PC and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, expand audio inputs and outputs. Now here you will need to locate your speaker driver. So simply right click on it and then select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and restart your Windows laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.